friends, it's Mimi and Denise.
Hi.
And today we have a special recipe for you. Actually, we took it from our friend, the Bosses Network, which you'll see across the bottom here. And she has a fabulous recipe for
1 minute vanilla mug cake. Comes right out of a mug and you put it in the microwave for a short period of time. Easy ingredients. You know what room we're in? We washed our hands, right, Mimi?
Definitely.
Yeah, we're ready to touch the food and start mixing.
So if you haven't washed yours and you don't have all, look in the description below. Make sure you have all the ingredients, all the utensils you're going to need, and wash your hands and meet us back. Okay, so the first thing is, I got my bowl.
I'll read the recipe.
Okay, what do I do first?
Follow. First thing is whisk. How many eggs? 1.
Okay, I have an egg here. Oh, came right out.
Nice cracking. Right in the bowl.
Whoop. Okay, so I'm going to take my fork, or you can use an actual whisk. Mine is actually in the dishwasher as we speak. Hopefully it's not too noisy. And I'm going to, as you see, mix it like you would when you're making scrambled eggs. Okay. Next is?
Next is 1.5 tablespoons of sugar.
1.5 tablespoons of sugar. So I have my sugar here, and you said tablespoons. So here's my tablespoon.
That's a cute little pot for the sugar instead of the big bag of sugar that messes up the place, gets all over.
Okay. Let's see if I can. Okay, that's 1. And you said half a tablespoon?
Half, right.
Okay.
So it's half of that measuring spoon to this size. Good. Guess what? Repeat. Whisk again.
Ooh,
Mix it all up. Mix the dry with the wet ingredients. Which one is the wet and which one is the dry? Good job, boys and girls. You're so smart.
we have a very smart audience.
We do. Thank you, followers. You know how much we really appreciate you following us. It really makes our heart sweet, and that's what we're going to give to you, a sweet treat.
And if you're new to our channel, please hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, what's next?
Okay. Next ingredient is 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla powder.
Okay, so we have some vanilla powder from pudding here. Okay, so 1/2 teaspoon, right?
1/2 teaspoon.
I'm gonna open, oops, let me do this over the sink.
It said vanilla powder, so we said, hey, vanilla powder sounds like vanilla pudding powder to us.
Okay. Alrighty.
Okay. And whisk again.
I'm gonna build up some major arm muscles here, whisking. I'll be toned for the summer. Okay.
The next ingredient comes from the cow. What ingredients do you think that is? Yes, milk. We need 2 tablespoons of milk, please.
Perfect, I got it right here.
Ooh, organic.
And now if you are allergic to milk, you can use almond milk, cashew milk, any kind of milk, really, I'm sure. Okay, so two tablespoons?
2 tablespoons.
Okay. Oops. Oh, I did a little too much
Tablespoon
on that.
is bigger than teaspoon.
Okay, there we go.
And now whisk the wet ingredients that you just put in.
Second, let me close it up so I don't have an oopsie, because this is a full bottle. That would be really bad. We needed some more wet ingredients because it was starting to get...
Here comes another wet one.
Oh, what do we have?
Yep, it's 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil.
Ooh, okay, I have that. I have a nice big bottle over here, 1 tablespoon. I could do that.
A lot of tablespoons and teaspoons we need.
Okay, there we go. Can you please grab me a paper towel?
Sure. That's teamwork. Teamwork to make the yummy work.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Got to use your manners. All right, so let me just give that a little whisking going on here.
Whisk again, vegetable oil.
All right, we got the vegetable oil. You said 1, right? Okay,
I
we
sure
did that.
did.
Now what's next?
Yep, that's what our friend said, 1. Now the next is 3 tablespoons of flour. Oh, and not the flour that's growing outside right now. No, this is the other flour. Yes, a type of ingredients. And it's not spelt like the flour that grows in your garden either, but they sound alike.
All right, what I like to do is I like to take a butter knife, and you see how I'm overflowing here on my teaspoon? Over the bag or over a sink, I kind of go straight across and cut it off to level it, because we don't want to have a heaping tablespoon. You want it to be the exact amount. So you said 3 of these, right?
I did.
So that's 1.
Yep.
So I fill it up, and then I go,
Ooh.
might need to do it a couple times. Whee! There we go. Beauteous, nice and level. That's 2, and 1 more. We'll make 3. Right across there. Awesome. Put that there.
Now, our friend and follower who shared this recipe with us says you can also add nuts. It's optional. Mimi, are we adding nuts today?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, 'cause we're a little nuts. We need some nuts, okay?
Speak for yourself.
And nuts, you can put as much as you want.
Yeah. So I chose walnuts today. I have I have a chopped walnut bag from last month when we did the gyrosis, so I have some left over, so I thought that would be nice. You could use pecans, you could use any kind of nut, really. But I think walnuts will go nice with this particular recipe.
We have a couple of cooking videos. So when you get done with this one, go look, upload, see what you can find that we cooked, and a couple of I Tried It that also include some food. Look them up. The I
They're right
Tried
in the
It is a
playlists.
great idea, especially for those finicky eaters. I have a feeling, though, nobody's going to be finicky about this particular food.
Right. And obviously, if you are, if you are allergic to nuts, you wouldn't be putting this in at all. Let me get a little rubber band here to secure that. Okay. Okay, we got the nuts in. Now
Yeah,
what?
That's it.
Oh,
Yeah.
wait a minute.
That's
We
it.
missed an ingredient here along the way, baking soda. How much of that were we supposed to put in?
half a teaspoon of baking soda.
That could have been bad. Okay, half a teaspoon. Here it is. Because I was like, I know we have one more.
Wait a minute.
Let me get this. I'm doing this over the sink because this could be, doesn't have a big opening for me to really get in there.
We have some mugs. You're going to wonder why we have mugs. Wait for this.
Okay.
Whisk again.
I'm whisking.
Make sure that dry mixes well with the liquid.
Now we're going to need to coat our mugs, just like you would any pan you cook in, whether you use the spray or whatnot. And I believe we're using our vegetable oil for that. So I have my handy dandy baster, so I don't have a big blob of it. I can kind of like paint it in, you know, nice and thin coat.
And vegetable oil again, it says. Brush the 2 mugs.
All right, so I'm going to put a little bit on my brush, and then I'm just going to kind of smear it around in here, up the sides, on the bottom.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that was flour. I have it on there. I'm like, oh no, I already made a mess. Okay, let's see if there's any.
The Wi-Fi network isn't connected to the internet.
That was my Alexa. It went off.
Thank you, Alexa.
All right, let me get a little in this mug, because we don't want the cake sticking to the mug, because you know what? I want to eat the whole thing.
If it does stick, though, we could just eat it right out of the mug. We're going to try to knock it out of the mug and put it on a plate, but if that doesn't work, grab a spoon and just eat right out of your favorite mug.
good.
I actually brought some of my favorite mugs. This one I got on Mother's Day. I love Mom. This one Mimi and I have, it's Teacher Simply the Best. This was given to us by my sister. And then this one is Be kind. I need one that says D nice. I gotta find one that says D nice, but be kind is also another great way to live your life. Spread the kindness.
All right, I'm not sure how much this is going to be, so I want to put them close together so I can try and get them even.
Okay.
Let's see how this goes. Put a little in that one. 1, 2, whee! A little in this one. And I'll go back and forth so I could try and get them somewhat even. And the same amount in each, so one's not huge and one's real tiny. And it's just a single portion. It's not going to be a huge cake like you would bake for somebody's birthday. This is, you know what, I'm really could use something sweet after dinner, but I don't want to make a whole big cake because, you know, I don't need that sitting around. This is just perfect for you and whomever, maybe mom or sibling you want to share it with. It's going in the microwave for a minute. Join us back then.
Make sure your mugs are microwave safe. If you need some help getting it in the microwave and turning it on, you know you always got friends and family around. And 1 minute, how long is that? 60 seconds? Okay, you count for us and we'll see you real soon.
So they just came out of the microwave. I don't know if you can see that. They're in there. And we are going to put them on a plate.
Looks like little party cakes. I bet we could put some whipped cream on top of this. Have ourselves.
Now, I'm not sure if we should wait a bit before taking it out and let it cool, or if we can, so I'm going to try one. Oh,
What if we just turn the cup over?
actually, you know what? It needs a little bit more than a minute, this one. So I'm going to put it in the microwave for a little bit longer.
Oh,
Okay,
good.
let me put yours
Now
back.
you've learned something. And that's what cooking's about, trial and error. You give it a go, you realize you want to substitute an ingredient, change the quantity, add a little something to it. That's the fun of experimenting with cooking. Really is a creative idea.
Now I'm wondering if it needed a little more time because we did 2 mugs at the same time in the microwave, or if maybe, you know, each microwave has a different power to it. Some are higher wattage than others, so that could be the difference as well. Some people live in a higher elevation, so there's all different things that go into cooking. So I checked it, wasn't quite done, so put it in for another 40 seconds and we'll see how it goes.
Ta-da!
2 cute little cakes. We're gonna wait a little bit so they can cool off, and then we're gonna try them, and we'll let you know if it's a thumbs up, a thumbs sideways, or a thumbs down.
Oh, I see the steam
Smell
rising.
delish.
Yum, they're so cute. Ooh.
See you in about 20 minutes. Hi friends, we're back. It's finally cooled off enough. I'm excited to try it. All right.
You can get yourself a mug of milk or coffee or tea or whatever it is you might want to enjoy drinking with this. Oh, spongy. Ooh, 1 mug.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm. Ooh, the nuts give it a nice little texture. Yum. Oh, you will enjoy this. Thank you so much, our friend who shared this with us. Please go visit her on her network.
Yes.
And we will see you real soon for more cooking, baking, reading. I tried it, manners, yoga. You're going to see some yoga. So don't forget, you know what to do because we love you so much. Share with your friends. Push that like button. Tell your friends to subscribe. And we are here for you.
Thank
Be
you.
nice to someone today.
Thank you again to the Bosses Network. I'll be definitely trying some more of your recipes, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye. D Nice says, do something nice.
Mimi's message, put a smile on someone's face today.
Friend shake.
Ooh, boom, boom. Air high five, spin, shake. See you soon.